Welcome to our state-of-the-art facility where life-saving medicine begins every day. Precision logistics ensure that every raw material arrives safely and on time. Strict security protocols maintain the highest standards of safety and product integrity. Real-time monitoring keeps our production lines running with absolute efficiency and accuracy. Our dedicated experts oversee every step of this complex manufacturing journey today. Entering the sterile zone requires rigorous air filtration to eliminate all contaminants.
Cleanliness is paramount as we prepare to enter the heart of production. A perfect seal ensures that the sterile environment remains completely undisturbed now.
Full protective gear is essential for maintaining our world-class pharmaceutical safety standards. Our automated sanitation stations eliminate human error during the critical cleaning process. High-velocity air showers remove every microscopic particle before anyone enters the lab. Our massive facility scales production while keeping quality at the very center. Sophisticated tracking systems identify every raw ingredient with total digital precision. Advanced robotics handle heavy lifting to maintain a perfectly controlled environment. Exact sampling allows our scientists to verify the potency of raw materials. Digital batch records provide a transparent history for every single pill produced. Complex chemistry transforms simple ingredients into powerful solutions for global health. Rapid centrifugation separates vital components with incredible speed and mechanical accuracy. We design our medicines at the molecular level for maximum patient efficacy. Collaborative innovation drives our team to find new ways to heal people. Industrial mixers ensure that every active ingredient is distributed perfectly and evenly. Temperature control is vital for stabilizing the chemical properties of our blends. The addition of binders creates the perfect texture for high-quality tablet formation. Granulation creates uniform particles that ensure consistent dosing in every single tablet. Laser technology measures moisture levels to guarantee the shelf life of products. Vacuum drying removes moisture without damaging the delicate, heat-sensitive chemical compounds. Automated sieving ensures that only the perfect-sized particles move to the press. Consistency and texture is a hallmark of our world-class manufacturing process. Final blending ensures that every dose contains the exact amount of medicine. Our gravity-fed systems move materials efficiently while preventing any potential contamination. High-speed presses can produce millions of tablets with zero deviation in quality. Each tablet is a masterpiece of engineering, designed to heal the body.
We measure every dimension to ensure that each pill is absolutely perfect.
Hardness testing guarantees that tablets won't break before they reach the patient. Dissolution testing mimics the human body to ensure the medicine works fast. Mass production meets individual care through our advanced automated inspection lines. Laser-guided sorters remove any pill that doesn't meet our strict beauty standards. Quality assurance is the final gatekeeper for every batch we produce here. Capsule technology allows us to deliver medicine in a form that's easy. Dosing accuracy is maintained within a fraction of a milligram for safety. From raw powder to finished capsules, the transformation is fast and efficient.
Visual perfection is just as important as chemical purity in our labs.
Individual weight checks ensure that every capsule contains the correct dosage.
Protective coatings make tablets easier to swallow and protect the active ingredients. Gentle drying locks in the color and creates a smooth, professional finish. The final result is a beautiful, glossy tablet ready for the world. Specialized light testing ensures the coating is even across every single pill. Organization is key as the tablets move toward the final packaging stage. Heat-formed blister packs create a secure and sterile home for our medicine. Automation ensures that every tablet is placed with perfect care and speed. Hermetic sealing protects our products from moisture and any external air. High-speed cutting prepares the medicine for easy handling and final boxing.
Every package is labeled with a clear date for patient safety.
Speed and accuracy are combined as we box our medicines for shipment. Ionized air cleaning ensures that every bottle is completely dust-free inside. Optical sensors count tablets at lightning speed for perfect bottle fills. Protective inserts keep the medicine stable and dry during its global journey. Tamper-evident seals guarantee that the medicine is safe until it's opened. Clear branding helps patients identify their medicine and follow the instructions. While barcode verification ensures that every bottle is tracked through a system. Secondary packaging provides an extra layer of protection for our valued products. Bulk packing prepares our medicines for shipping to hospitals and pharmacies everywhere. Perfectly stacked pallets maximize space and ensure safe transport to clinics. Our massive warehouse is the final stop before the medicine reaches patients. Teamwork and dedication are what make our life-saving mission a success. Our journey ends as a new day begins for patients worldwide. Your local pharmacy is the bridge between our lab and your health. Trust and quality come together in every bottle we produce for you. Healing begins with a single dose backed by years of science.
From our lab to your home, we deliver hope and health globally.